As you can see, we have this really nasty carpet in the shop, and the reason is because a good friend of the detail garage just picked up a new car, or a new car to him, and the previous one was really nasty and made all these kind of stains and spills. So today we're going to show you guys how to properly remove all that kind of nasty embedded stains as well as some lingering odor. We're going to start by vacuuming it and get all the heavier stuff out. So we're going to use lightning fast, which is a stain extractor, and we'll spray it directly onto the surface and give it a moment to saturate and dwell. And we're just using lightning fast, which is designed specifically to remove any kind of really stubborn staining or lingering odors. And now we're also going to be using our yellow drill brush attachment, and this is going to help take out the work, making it really effortless clean. So now to begin, we're going to just slowly start working in the product, helping to lift up the deep stubborn stains. But we want to make sure that we're constantly moving so we don't create a swirl or any kind of circular motion inside of the carpet there. But this will just help lift up the fibers and remove any kind of stubborn staining and odors. Take a nifty brush or any kind of brush and then wrap that around a clean microfiber towel, or vice versa, wrap a clean microfiber towel around the brush, and this will help to pick up the spent product as well as any kind of remaining staining, and this is also a great way to revive the fibers of the carpet.